All right, this is the October 4th, Wednesday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Some changes coming in our weather down the road just a bit. Some influences from the tropics arrive. I'll talk about that coming up a little bit later on in the video. Let's start off with a couple cameras across the region. Once again, there's our Greensboro Tower cam during the 5 a.m. hour this morning. All is quiet across the region. There's the Charlotte Dowd YMCA camera looking over toward Bank of America Stadium. Again, a quiet morning across really the entire region. A couple showers near the coast, which I'll show you in just a second, but altogether pretty quiet stuff. Again, fall color really beginning to kick into gear. And we're seeing more and more of that color up in the higher mountain elevations. There's the fall foliage report for today. The higher elevations above about 3,500 or 4,000 feet, some good color. And in those highest elevations, the peak at the fall color season likely on the way as we get, say, next week. That'll be probably the peak of the season. And, of course, we'll see more and more fall foliage color spread to the lower elevations from there. These are your highs yesterday on Tuesday afternoon. Really nice day across the region. There were your Triad area high temperatures officially in Greensboro, 75. Low was 53. Both of those very close to the averages this time of year. Charlotte numbers, 79 officially at the Charlotte Airport, 61 the low, a little bit above the average for the early stages of October. This morning, again, it is 39 up in the high country in Boone, 40s and 50s through a lot of the Piedmont, some 60s closer to the coast and down into South Carolina. And again, this morning you have this big discrepancy in temperatures ahead of and behind the front. You see ahead of the front, temperatures sitting anywhere from the 60s into the 70s, but behind the front, 21 degrees in Yellowstone Lake and 36 in Alliance, Nebraska. That front only making very, very slow southeastward progress. All right, so you look at the radar this morning. A few showers down here over the lower South Carolina coast. A few showers down in the Bahamas, but occasionally moving into parts of Florida. That's with a little tropical disturbance. This one is, I think, unlikely to develop, but still causing some rain down that way nonetheless. And here's the rain with that front I referenced, anywhere from Michigan to Wisconsin, down into Illinois, Iowa, Kansas, parts of Missouri, Oklahoma, Texas. But that front is very slowly crawling southeastward. In fact, it really doesn't even make it here. It kind of stalls out off to the north of us. So we're looking at a lot of sunshine for most of the region today. A few coastal showers, but away from the coast. We're high and dry. There's your highs here on this Wednesday afternoon. The warmer air continues to build in, so tomorrow, Thursday, a little bit warmer. There's our Thursday highs. Friday, again, the warmer air taking hold. Friday afternoon looks like that. Saturday, still pretty warm, but some changes begin to take place over the weekend. Let me delve into the tropical update here. And again, as I cut the video, we don't have any classified tropical systems to be concerned with across the Atlantic Basin, but we are watching this area here off the coast of Nicaragua and Costa Rica. There are some indications that this will try to develop into at least a low pressure area, if not a classified tropical system. Here's the European computer model. Notice it spins this up into a low pressure as it lifts to the northwest. This is 5 a.m. Friday. And then as we go through the weekend, it continues lifting northeast from there to a position there in the Big Bend region of Florida by Sunday afternoon around 4 o'clock. Where this eventually tracks will play a big part in what we specifically see weather-wise. I think the general idea will be for an increase in rain opportunities Sunday and Monday. This is the European footprint of rain. It is one of the more eastern solutions with the eventual track of this. Compare that to the GFS, where the heaviest rain axis is further to the west. But still, even in the GFS scenario, we get some decent rains up here in that Sunday-Monday time period. So the bottom line is, for this morning's forecast package, we're going to go with the idea of much improved rain chances for us. Not a whole lot Saturday. Some rain chance Saturday, but it's still fairly small, especially in North Carolina. But certainly Sunday and probably Monday too. Pretty good opportunities for some rain as we get that influence from the tropics working up in our direction. We'll continue to refine the forecast as we move forward. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.